when you're getting ready to turn 65, you get a lot of conflicting information and it makes it look like you have to sign up for Medicare. You have to do it. The government's not putting a gun to your head. Nobody's calling you and making you do it. You might need to do it to avoid a penalty later, but you also might not need to do it. It depends on your independent situation. So a lot of people, more and more people, especially since COVID, have decided, hey, I'm going to keep working past 65. 65 is young. I like working. I need the money. I can't live on my Social Security. So a lot more people are working past 65. Now, this is where you have to decide what camp you are in. If you want to work past 65 and you are self-employed, get Medicare. Because if you don't, eventually you will want it and you'll have a late penalty. And the penalties are steep and they will last for your whole lifetime. So you're not really sure about the penalties. I have other videos that go into the part A, B, and D penalties. So you can go watch that. Just know that you want to avoid the penalties at all costs. If you work for a small company, so a small company means under 20 employees. You have 5, 8, 10 employees, sign up for Medicare. Even though you have insurance through work, you will end up with that penalty. Now, most people work for a large company that has over 20 employees. That's the federal threshold. Are there 20 employees? So that's why I got the magic number 20 here. If there's 20 employees, either on your plan at work or through your spouse, then you do not need to sign up for Medicare. You do not need to start paying for Medicare Part B. Medicare Part B is going to cost you around $200. You don't need to pay for it. You're good on your employer health insurance. There's no penalty, no problem. It's not going to hurt you down the road. So if you are turning 65, you're on a health plan, and this shows you, are you on a health plan? You do not need it. Are you not on a health plan with 20 points? Yes, you need it. Still, the government's not going to knock down your door and make you do it. They're going to let you make your own mistake, okay? If you're not taking Social Security, then you're not in their system. They're not going to enroll you. They're not going to help you. They're not going to call you. They're not going to alert you and be like, hey, are you sure you want to do this? You're going to end up, nothing's going to happen. It's just quiet. If you don't want to sign up for Medicare because you don't need to, you don't have to call Social Security or the Medicare office and tell them. So you don't have to do anything. But you will get paperwork by law from your employer every year saying, hey, Sylvia doesn't need Medicare because she has employer group health insurance with over 20 employees. It is creditable coverage, so no penalty for Medicare. They're going to give you that notice every year. Keep it. Keep it in your file. Because when you finally do retire and you want to go on Medicare, we need proof. Otherwise, the government's going to stick that penalty on there. And if you waited 4 years, they're going to say 40% penalty. We want you to pay 40 or 50 or 60 or however many years you waited. It's 10% per year for late Part B. So you're going to be like, no, thank you, no penalty. Here's my proof because I'm an excellent record keeper. And I know a lot of you are not excellent record keepers. So you will get that letter by law every September from your employer. Keep it. Because sometimes your employer goes out of business and it can be very difficult to try to go back and fight that to prove that you don't have the penalty. So bear down on your record keeping right there. Keep that record. Now, if you were on taking Social Security early, and early means at least 4 months before you turn 65, if you were taking early Social Security, they're just going to automatically sign you up for Medicare. You might be like, hey, I don't need Medicare. I have an employer health plan through my husband. It has over 20 employees. Why did you sign me up? That's just their system. If you're already on Social Security for at least 4 months before you turn 65, they just automatically sign you up. They automatically start taking that Medicare Part B cost out of your Social Security. And a lot of people feel helpless. They're like, well, I don't need it. I have my health insurance through my husband. Call Medicare. You can cancel it. You can't get back the money they've already taken out. So if it takes you a couple months to realize what happened and that you don't need it, you can untangle it, but you can't get the money back. Then just stay on your employer health plan for as long as you want. It can be forever. It can be, you could work till you're 80, or your spouse could stay on his plan until he's 80 and you could stay on till, there's no limit. Whenever you do want to retire, or your spouse wants to retire, that will trigger your right to enroll in Medicare Part B. at any time of the year, could be tomorrow. And then you'll have all the rights to get your Medicare supplement plan without regards to your health. And there's no penalty. So there's no problem. So if you're turning 65, you need to know if you need Medicare. So if you're self-employed, you need it. If you are working for a small company, you need it. If you are working for a large company, you do not need it. But this is where it gets a little crazy, right? Nothing's ever easy. Just because you can stay on your insurance at work, or on me, I might be able to stay on my husband's insurance at work, doesn't mean it's better than Medicare. So even though I might not need Medicare, I might want Medicare. I might want to get off the work plan because I have a $3,000 deductible versus a Medicare supplement deductible of $300. I might pay more to stay on my work plan with higher copays than to go on Medicare. So don't just assume, since I already told you you don't have to go on Medicare, that you might not want to go on Medicare, because when you do the cost analysis, you find out, hey, Medicare is better benefits at a lower price. And this seems to be about 50% of the time. A lot of people don't want to do the comparison. They're like, I'm just going to stay where I am. I'm just going to ride this out. I don't even want to know. It's just, I want to do what's easy. And I respect that. This is all confusing. I get that. But if you're really watching your dollars, don't assume because you don't need to sign up for Medicare at 65 because you're still on a large employer health plan that you might not benefit from signing up for Medicare. If you have questions with your Medicare, our team at the Medicare Family is here to help you. We're licensed in all 50 states. We're independent contractors with over 62 different Medicare insurance companies. Just book an appointment on our website. Go to themedicarefamily.com, click on the yellow button, bounce your scenario off us. Let us try to explain it to you or untangle it. And if you do need help signing up, we can help you. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.